by taking it to the premiere, but you missed it.
Go, baby, go get the phone.
So how much do I owe you? What? Give me a number. I don't owe you anything.
Don't owe me anything. I want your money.
We're doing this. Okay, now you got me my first set of headshots, right? How much?
Good boy. Keep going.
Okay, $500. What else?
Well, then there's the second set.
Good boy. Para kang uod ah.
Okay, so that's another 500. That's 500, 500.
You want a calculator? Please.
Almost there. Almost there. See? Almost there.
All right, what else?
There's acting classes, stage combat classes, tap classes.
Which we're still keeping under our hats.
Good boy,
There was that
baby.
violin coach who helped me play where you need a southern accent, which after 20 hours of lessons still came out Jamaican.
The South will.
Sabi naman oh. Ang bilis na na.
Yes, money well spent.
Okay, what else?
Ano? Oh.
2 to 3 years of rent, utilities.
Ang galing ah.
Okay.
Good
okay.
boy.
So I'm
Come
writing
on.
you a check for.
Some more.
Somebody fell asleep there. Big deal, right?
Some more. Some more.
Come on, finish your enchilada.
Ross, we've tried all the spicy food. It's not working.
Don't try that. Get one of these peppers.
Pagod na siya.
Oh.
Very good, baby.
Oh my god.
Good boy, baby.
And then touch your eye.
Chut, chut, chut.
Dito. Sit, sit.
I'm feeling nothing.
Oh.
Do it again. It'll be a nice way to bookend the pregnancy.
This is insane. I'm not gonna make love to you just so you'll go into labor.
Make love
Come on,
to me,
baby.
girl.
Be,
Always a great way to get into a man's
come on, be.
You'll be performing a service, okay? Just
Chut, chut, chut.
You know, you sometimes have to bang on the end of it
Jude,
to get something to
Jude, look. Jude, look, oh, look. Jude.
I know it.
Pagod ka na, baby.
Oh.
Be, pagod ka na. Come here, look, oh.
I seem to have dropped my fork. Let me just bend over and get it.
Jude, look.
Enough. This is
Jude, come here.
Oh, come on, Ross, I'm miserable.
Jude.
Come on, you started this, now you finish it. Come on, Wes.
Diba na yata gusto mo man? Gusto natin lumabas.
You know what?
What?
Oh. Marunong kumaandar na siya.
Oh, wow, what now, Ross? You're not going to talk? How on earth will you ever get Oh, wait a minute. I know. I mean, you'd think the damn jalapeno would have cleared up your sinuses, but no. That's not enough. What are you doing?
I'm getting that bacon out of you.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Aching, aching. Jude. 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 Aching.
Double or nothing. I bet you the baby is over 7 pounds.
Pakita mo kasi.
I bet you it has hair. I
Yun
bet
na,
you it's a girl.
yun na.
They know it's a girl. I'll give you really good
Yun
odds.
na. Look, 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 look. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh.
My brother,
Oh.
big crush on London.
Bakit sumakot?
Yung ilaw ang tinitignan niya. May ilaw kasi sa paanan mo, oh.
Shadow.